I'm out here in the garden, and I gotta say I'm feeling a bit discouraged because the things that I have planted have not really grown. I mean, there's that one boysenberry plant that is kind of growing and has not died, and I don't know if these things right here are the wild flowers that I planted, or if they are just some weeds that have cropped up. I did not plant this squash plant. It just came from nature, and I mean, that's cool, and I do like that, but I did not do that. Nature just did that. I've been pretty successful at growing the dirt around here, but as far as I've gotten my sugar cane things supposed to be sprouting here. There's no grain in there. The first round of cacao seeds were a bust, and I don't feel like the second round is going better yet. I think something may have eaten them since I did not wash them off that great, and the dirt is significantly lower, but we'll see. I'm just letting it go for now. The potatoes are alive. That is literally all I can say. They're alive. That's it. So, guys, I don't know. This may become like a pollinator farm situation. And we need those, and that's good. But so far, just wild things and nature are a whole lot better at doing the garden thing than I am so far.